Welcome to the Media Guard AI training video series. In this video, I am going to show you how to use AI content and the AI graphics section in Media Guard AI. Go to the left menu and click on AI content. Now you are on AI content section. You can create any type of AI content here. Just insert the prompt and choose the language and number of results you want to create. And your content is ready. You can copy or download the result. To use AI graphics, click on AI graphics. You can generate any type of image here. Just insert the prompt, size, and number of results and your result will be generated. You can download it. Thanks for watching the video.